Good morning, everybody. Luke back here again. Hagen Surface Protection. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching in advance. Yeah, still on this boat. Another review for you. This stuff I've been using for a while now. And yeah, this is my go-to prep wipe, panel wipe, however you want to call it. Gtechniq panel wipe. This stuff is awesome. I like it on cars. I like it on boats. This stuff works. It gets rid of all the polishing oils and evaporates quickly, which is what I like. This is strong stuff, so you need to use this with caution, especially on car paint. A couple of times I've sprayed this on some real soft, fragile car paint and wiped it with a towel, and it's left towel marks, which made me think it was just too strong and it was kind of softening the paint. So just a warning to you on car paint, caution. If this is too strong, then my go-to is 91% isopropyl alcohol, and I usually mix mine 50-50 with distilled water. So if this is too strong, that's what I do. And I've used some other ones. They work good, but they don't evaporate quickly enough for me, otherwise known as flashing. So that's why this is my go-to, and especially on boats. I've never had a problem with on boats because gel coat's really resilient stuff, and so I need strong and I need quick because we're going to be ceramic coating this boat. I've already done all my washing. We've done a one-step polish. This is a brand new 2020 50-foot cruiser yacht. Cantius 50. It's pretty amazing. And we're putting Gtechniq, the new Gtechniq Marine ceramic coating on this. I'll be filming that, kind of show you how I put on coating coming up. So right now what we're doing is we're panel wiping this whole area that we're going to ceramic coat today. So I just kind of want to show you how I use it and tell you how rad this stuff is. So let's get to it. Okay, so of course, obviously, panel wipe, clean, towel. You know, I wiped all the polish off of this yesterday, good, but I'm sure there's still some oils on there, and you need to use this first. Whatever coating brand you're gonna install, it's a good rule of thumb to use that brand's panel wipe. They should have one because they're engineered to work together. And like this one, I think it says, yeah, promotes bonding. So as far as I know, I think they always have some kind of bonding promoter in there. So rule of thumb, whatever coating you're putting on, use theirs just to be safe. Otherwise, it's up to you. So it's morning, surface is cool. I'm in the shade, sun's over there. So we'll just clean this section and wipe it down. It's pretty easy. So I don't skimp on this stuff. This is a real important step. So we're going for surgically clean before you install a coating to make sure that nothing interferes with the bonding of the coating. So I spray it on. Go ahead. Make sure it's on there. So as you can see, it's a good amount. Let it work for a minute. It needs to do its whatever it needs to do. Break down those polishing oils. It's good. You can put it on the metal. You can put it on the glass. I haven't had a problem with it. I mean, you can see like it evaporates quick. So make sure you're using the fresh side of your towel, because as you're collecting the leftover remaining polishing oils, like you don't want to keep spreading that around. Get it all off. Got any weird little streaky spots, flip your towel. And boom, it's like, you know, hear the squeak? That's clean. Now I need to get rid of my fingerprints. But Not too much to the whole process. Pretty straightforward. Okay, this is ready for coating. So I gotta keep going. I'm gonna do this whole, as much of this you can see. This is a beast of a boat. So I'm gonna keep going, and then once I get it all done, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna start putting the coating on. Then I'll film that too. Okay. Thanks again for watching. Be great if you subscribe. Again, panel wipe, Gtechniq. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Thanks. I'll see you soon.